Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
It's not far. Go straight, then turn right at the traffic light.
Thank you. Is it near the supermarket?
Yes. It's just behind the supermarket.
Great, thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi, is there a hotel near here?
Yes, there is one 2 blocks away.
How do I get there?
Walk down this street, then take the second left.
Is it near the park?
Yes, it's right across from the park.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello, do you know where the bus stop is?
Yes. Walk straight for about 5 minutes.
Do I turn anywhere?
Yes, turn left after the bakery. The bus stop is next to the bank.
Got it. Is it bus number 5?
That's right. Bus 5 goes to the city center.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.